ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Yes, continuation to the last class. What is the blood transfusion as per the plasma compatibility? In last class we discussed how the blood transfusion may be occurred by the RBC compatibility. So continuation is blood transfusion by plasma compatibility. So means by considering what kind of the components, if we can transfuse the blood, agglutination reactions may not be occur. Is nothing but blood transfusion by the plasma compatibility. In the last class we have discussed RBC compatibility blood transfusion method. But here blood transfusion by the plasma compatibility means by considering what kind of the components of blood, if we can transfuse the blood, this clotting, this agglutination reactions may not be occur. Is nothing but blood transfusion by the plasma compatibility. For this we should consider antibody of donor, antigen of recipient. As per the plasma compatibility, we should consider antibody of the donor, antigen of recipient to not occur the reactions during the blood transfusion. This is the second type of the method. So definitely, in what way, if we can transfuse the blood by considering them, this agglutination reactions may not be occur means, if we can transfuse the blood from AB into A as per this method, if we can transfuse blood from the AB into A, as per the plasma compatibility, whether reaction is occurs or not, if we can observe, in this case who is the donor? AB. Who is the recipient? A. What should we consider in donor's blood means antibody. So here in the blood plasma of AB, antibodies are not present, but in the recipient RBC surface, antigen A is present. Though here antigen A is present, but in the donor's blood plasma antibodies are absent. So that reaction is not occurs. So that this is the acceptable transfusion as per the plasma compatibility method. Similarly, if we can transfuse the blood from the AB into B, whether agglutination reactions are occurs or not means, as per this method, definitely in the donor blood, in donor's blood, what type of the component we have to consider means antibody. Definitely in the AB blood group person, antibodies are not present. In recipient body, antigen B is present. Though here antigen B is present, due to the absence of the antibodies in donor's blood plasma, reaction will not be occur. It is the acceptable transfusion. Similarly, if we can transfer the blood from the A into O, In this case, A is the donor, O is the recipient. What kind of the antibody is present in the A blood? Anti-B antibody. Anti-B antibody is present in the A blood group person, but here in recipient surface of RBC, antigens are absent, because in the recipient body antigens we should consider. So definitely he is the recipient. In his RBC surface antigens are absent. So though here anti-B antibodies are present, due to the absence of antigen here, reaction may not be occur. This is the acceptable transfusion. Again similarly, if we can transfuse the blood from the B into O, in this case also, in donor's blood plasma, anti-A antibody is present, but in the recipient body antigens are absent. Though here antibodies are present, here antigens are absent. Due to that reason, reaction may not be occur. This is the acceptable blood transfusion. Similarly, if we can transfuse blood from the AB into O, in this case, who is the donor? AB. Who is the recipient? O. In the donor's blood, antibodies are absent. In the recipient blood, antigens are absent. In the donor's blood, antibodies are not there. In recipient blood, antigens are absent. Due to this reason, this is also acceptable transfusion. As per the plasma compatibility, as this is very important in NEET examination point of view, as per plasma compatibility, who is the universal donor? AB. As per the RBC compatibility, universal donor is the O blood group. As per RBC compatibility, that is the first method, which is already we have seen that in the last class. As per the RBC compatibility, universal donor is O, universal recipient is AB. But as per the plasma compatibility, who is the universal donor? AB blood group person can donate the blood to A, AB blood group person can donate the blood to B, AB blood group person can donate the blood to O. So that AB negative is universal donor. As per the plasma compatibility, universal donor is AB negative. Again, who is the universal recipient? O blood group person. As per the plasma compatibility, O blood group person is the universal recipient, because he can receive the blood from AB, he can receive the blood from A, he can receive the blood from B. So that only O positive person is universal recipient. As per the plasma compatibility, universal donor is AB positive, universal recipient is O positive. But nowadays we mostly considered RBC compatibility method during the blood transfusion, but not the plasma compatibility. This is only for entrance point of view, this is important. So nowadays in the society, while blood transfusion is going on, what is the method which is considered? Means that is the RBC compatibility, but not the plasma compatibility. So why we neglect this plasma compatibility during the blood transfusion means, definitely during the blood transfusion, antibodies of donor while they may be entering into the recipient body, on or before they may be entered into the recipient body, they becomes diluted. Why this plasma compatibility is not considered nowadays during the blood transfusion means, definitely antibodies of donor or becomes diluted or gets diluted or becomes diluted while or on or before they may be reaches into the recipient body. So that only light agglutination means very few number of the RBCs are gets only clumped, very few number of the RBC cells are gets destructed, but that may not be cause the death in the person. So definitely, for example, if the antibody of the donor becomes diluted, if that antibody of the donor is reacted with the antigen of the recipient at low rate, then very few number of the RBCs are gets destructed, but not rapid. So that may not be causes any breathing effect to the person, that may not be leads to the death of the person. Due to that reason, this plasma compatibility is not considered during the blood transfusion. The only one reason for that is nothing but during the blood transfusion, antibody of the donor becomes diluted on or before they may be reaches into the recipient body. So that only light reactions are occurs but not heavy reaction. Light reactions are occurs but not the heavy reaction. So that only we may not consider plasma compatibility during the blood transfusion. We must be considered RBC compatibility only. Then what is the light reaction? What is the heavy reaction? What is the given table? That's also very important. So definitely light reaction means antibody of the donor, if it is reacted with the antigen of recipient at low rate, that is light reaction. Otherwise, heavy reaction means antigen of donor, if it is reacted with the antibody of recipient at high rate, if that leads to the death of the person, then that is said to be as the heavy reaction. Then what is the blood groups which may be shows the heavy reactions? What are the blood groups which may be shows the light reactions? Means, just assume this is the donor blood group, this is the recipient blood group. Just assume this is the table. In this case, so this is the donor blood groups. This is the donor blood group. This is the donor blood group. Donor blood group. These are the recipient blood groups. So again, this is the A blood group. A, BB, AB, O. So definitely we have to take the donor's blood group in this column, recipient blood group in this column. These are the recipient blood groups, these are the donor blood groups. Again, if we can transfuse the blood from the A blood group person into A blood group person, then no reaction. Reaction is not occurs. If we can transfuse the blood from the A blood group person into A blood group person, definitely reaction is not occurs. But if we can transfer A blood group person's blood into B blood group person's blood, A blood group person's blood into B blood group person blood, definitely high rate of agglutination reaction is occurs, that is the heavy reaction. Because in the surface of the RBC of this blood grouped person, in the surface of the RBC of the A blood grouped person, antigen A is present. That is reacted with antibody A, which is present in the B blood grouped person's blood plasma. Definitely on the surface of the RBC of A blood grouped person who is a donor, on the surface of the A blood grouped person's blood, on the surface of the RBC of the A blood grouped person, antigen A is present, that is reacted with antibody A of B blood grouped person's blood plasma. He is a recipient. Due to that, more and more number of the RBCs are gets ruptured. By that way, that leads to the breathing problem to the person. He may be leads to death also. That is heavy reaction. Again, if the A blood is gets transferred into the AB blood group person's blood, if we can transfer the A blood from the A blood group from the A blood group person into the AB blood group person, light reaction is occurs. Generally, AB blood group is the universal recipient. Reaction should not be occur. But in the A blood grouped person, in his blood plasma, anti-B antibodies are present. In the A blood grouped person, in his blood plasma, anti-B antibody is present. So that antibody, while it is entering into the AB blood grouped person's body, that is gets diluted. Here, whatever the anti-B antibody which is present in his blood plasma, that is becomes diluted on or before that maybe reaches into the AB blood grouped person's body. The diluted state of anti-B antibody is reacted with the antigen B of surface of RBC of this person. By that way, very few number of the RBCs are gets ruptured, but they are not able to cause the death in the person. That is the light reaction. Anti-B antibody of this person in the A blood grouped person's blood plasma, anti-B antibodies are present. That anti-B antibody is gets diluted on or before that maybe reaches into the AB blood grouped person's body. The diluted state of anti-B antibody is reacted with antigen B of surface of RBC. By that way, very few number of the RBCs are gets ruptured, but that may not cause the death in the person. That is the light reaction. Similarly, if we can transfer A blood into O blood, if we can transfer the A blood into O blood, on the surface RBC of the A blood group person, antigen A is present. In the O blood grouped person's blood plasma, antibody A is present. Both antibody A, antibody B's are present in the blood plasma of O blood group person. So that only definitely antigen A of A blood grouped person is severely reacted with antibody A of blood plasma of O blood group person. By that way, that leads to the heavy reaction. Definitely O blood group can form the heavy reaction with A blood group. A blood grouped person, blood if it is transferred into O blood grouped person's body, O is universal donor but not universal recipient. Definitely if we can transfer the O blood into A, then light reaction is taken place. But here O is in donor position, A is in donor position, O is in recipient position. So that only if we can transfer the A blood into O blood, definitely heavy reactions are going on, heavy reactions must be taken place. By that way person leads to death. Similarly, if we can transfer the blood from the B into A, in this case, antigen B of this B blood group person is reacted with antibody B of this A blood group person. By that way, heavy reactions are taken place. Definitely in the B blood group person on the surface of RBC, antigen B is present. That antigen B is reacted with antibody B of A blood group person. By that way, heavy reaction is going on. Similarly, if we can transfer the blood from the B blood group person into B blood group person, no reaction is going on. Again, if we can transfer the blood from the B into AB, if we can transfer the blood from the B blood group person into AB blood group person, here light reaction is taken place. How it is possible means, in the B blood group person, in his blood plasma, antibody A is present. This antibody A becomes diluted on or before it is reaches to the AB blood group person's body. So that only diluted state of antibody A is reacted with the antigen A of this person. By that way, very few number of the RBCs are gets clumped, very few number of the RBCs are gets destructed. By that way, person may not be leads to death. That is the light reaction. Similarly, if we can transfer the blood from the B into O, in this case also, in the B blood group person on the surface of RBC, antigen B is present, that is reacted with the antibody B of this person. By that way, more and more number of the RBCs are gets clumped or ruptured, that leads to the death of the person. That is the heavy reaction. Similarly, if A blood group person blood is transferred into A, definitely that leads to the heavy reaction, because AB blood group is universal recipient but not universal donor. So because in AB blood group person's surface of RBC, both antigen A, antigen B are present. That antigen B is reacted with the antibody B of this person. In the AB blood group person blood plasma, antibody B is present. That antibody B is reacted with the antigen B of this person, that leads to the heavy reaction. Similarly, if we can transfer the blood from the AB into B, that leads to heavy reaction, because in AB blood group person surface of RBC, antigen A which is present, that is reacted with the antibody A of B blood group person. By that way heavy reaction is taken place. If we can transfer the blood from the AB into AB, that leads to no reaction. If we can transfer the blood from the AB into O, that leads to heavy reaction. Because on the surface of the AB, on the surface RBC of the AB blood group person, both antigen A, antigen B are present. That antigen A, antigen B's are reacted with anti-A antibody, anti-B antibody of the O blood group person. By that way, that leads to the heavy reaction. Similarly, if we can transfer the blood, if we can transfer the O blood into A, that leads to the light reaction, because O blood group is universal donor. In donor position, if the O blood group is present, definitely why the reaction, why the light reaction is occurs between the O blood group person and A blood group person means, why the light reaction is taken place when we transfer the blood from the O blood group person into A blood group person means, in the O blood group person in the blood plasma, anti-B antibody which is present, that is becomes diluted, while that may be entered into the A blood group person. Similarly, anti-A antibody is also present. Anti-A antibody, anti-B antibody, both of them are becomes diluted on or before they may be entered into the A blood group person's body. By that way, diluted state of antibody A of O blood group person lightly reacted with antigen A of A blood group person. By that way, very few number of the RBCs are gets ruptured. That is the light reaction. Similarly, if we can transfer the blood from the O into B, in this case also light reaction is taken place, because in O blood group person in his blood plasma, both anti-A anti-B antibodies are present. Definitely that anti-A anti-B antibodies are gets diluted on or before they may be reaches into the B blood group person. So that only diluted state of the antibody B is reacted with the antigen B of this person, that leads to the light reaction. Similarly, if we can transfer the O blood into the AB blood group person, in this case also, this anti-A anti-B antibodies which are present in the blood plasma of O blood group person are becomes diluted on or before they reaches into the AB blood group person body. By that way, diluted state of antibody A is reacted with antigen A lightly, diluted state of the antibody B is reacted with the antigen B of this person lightly. By that way, very few number of the RBC cells are gets clumped. Light reactions may be taken place. If we can transfuse the blood from the O into O, in this case no reaction. This is very important table in the NEET examination point of view. The reason for light reaction is the plasma compatibility. You should remember, reason for the light reaction is plasma compatibility. What is the plasma compatibility? We should consider the antibody of donor, antigen of recipient. Antibody of donor, antibody, antigen of recipient. So in this case, O blood grouped persons, anti-A, anti-B antibodies are gets considered here. Here antigens are considered. So in this case, on or before antibodies, on or before this blood is reaches into this A blood group person, definitely anti-A, antibody, anti-B antibodies are gets diluted. By that way, light reaction is taken place. Means what I am saying here, that the reason for light reaction is plasma compatibility. The reason for heavy reaction is RBC compatibility. This is very important in objective. Reason for the light reaction is plasma compatibility. Reason for the RBC plasma compatibility. This is the one. Finally, what is the overall concept of blood groups? What is the overall concept of the blood group? Means what is the genotype? What is the blood group? What is the antigen which is present on the surface of RBC? What is the antibody? So if we can observe it in the form of the table. Name of blood group. This is also called as phenotype. This is the phenotype. Name of blood group. Second, genotypes. What is the genotype of that blood group? Third, antigen on RBC. What type of the antigen is present on the surface of RBC? Antibody in plasma. So definitely in the blood plasma, what type of the antibody is present? In blood plasma. Next, donated blood to. Next, received blood from. Received blood from. Next to nature or significance. Significance. ఇది ఒక్కటి తర్వాత చెప్పండి సార్. So first blood group is A. Name of the blood group, that is the phenotype, is A blood group. So what is the genotype of the A blood group? IA or IAIO. That is the genotype. Antigen which is present on the surface of RBC is antigen A. Antibody in the blood plasma. Anti-B, antibody. He can donate the blood to A and to AB. He can donate the blood to the A and AB. He can receive the blood from the A and O. No significance. Second, B blood group. B blood group. So what is the genotype? IB or IBIO. So definitely what is the antigen? Antigen B. What is the antibody which is present in the blood plasma? Anti-A antibody. he can donate the blood to B and to AB. He can receive the blood from the B or O. Next to AB blood group. So AB blood group, genotype is IA, IB, antigens, antigen A, antigen B, both of them are present on the surface of RBC. What kind of the antibodies are present in the blood plasma? Absent. Donated the blood to only AB. He donated the blood to only AB. He received the blood from A, B, AB, O. So universal acceptors, that is universal recipients. Fourth O blood group. Fourth O blood group, genotype is IO, IO or II. Antigens are absent. Antigens are not present on the surface of RBC. Both anti-A, antibody, anti-B, antibodies are present in the blood plasma. He can donate the blood to A, B, AB and O. He can receive the blood from only O. So he is the universal donor. He is the universal donor. So this is the summary of blood groups. This is the complete summary of the blood group. In A blood group person, definitely genotype is IA, IAIO. On the surface of RBC, antigen A is present. In his blood plasma, anti-B antibodies are present. He can donate the blood to A and AB. He can receive the blood from the A and O. Similarly, in B blood group person, genotype is IB or IBIO. Antigen which is present on the surface of RBC is antigen B. In blood plasma, antibodies are present. He can donate the blood to the B and AB. He can receive the blood from the B and O. Again, in AB blood group person, on the surface, genotype is IAIB. On the surface of the RBC, both antigen A and antigen B are present. In blood plasma, antibodies are completely absent. He can donate the blood to AB only. He can receive the blood from the A, B, AB and O. So he is the universal recipient. In O blood group person, genotype is IO or small I. Antigens are absent on the surface of RBC. In his blood plasma, both antibody A, antibody B are present. He can donate the blood to the A, B, AB and O. He can receive the blood from only O. He is nothing but a universal donor. This is the blood group.